Welcome to Disney's Vero Beach. Today is Monday, January 25th, 2021, and last night was our first night here.
Look, we are roommates for USA.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place.
Wheelchair that will go on the beach. That is awesome. And the green cabin here is where you can rent things for the beach. We have to place our room key so the gate will open so that other people won't come down. Oh, this is a cute, oh, it's not shutting. Shut. There we go. This is such a cute board.
They've had a little sand drift in since they built the ramp down here.
Yeah.
That's why you don't walk through the mangroves and stuff on the beach.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, time to take the flip-flops off already. I won't be able to walk. Ah, it's so cute. Like the whole ramp is full of sand. We came down this ramp. We have taken our mask off. And we found a nice spot. Look at all these shells. I'm getting ready to dig. Oh, I love this black one. I'm getting ready to collect some shells. I actually brought a container. We have little chairs. We're going to do some reading. And
the chairs, we had two chairs like this, one like this. I figured I didn't much care, so I brought one of each, and she can pick whichever one she wants, and I will deal with the drags. My hat and sunglasses, and maybe one of the stripes here, and my shorts, and oh, and best of all, my shoes. All right. Now, if I was a professional videographer, I would have done that at this orientation. Guess what? I'm not. I'm just the sidekick.
I am noticing and love, like there's actually nature, trees bordering the beach. There's no high rises to block our view or look, I don't know, city-ish. It's very like, I don't know, relaxing because of no high rises and hotels.
You know what that means? That means that she's picked that chair, so I'm gonna just sit down.
No, I picked that chair. Your legs are longer, you can have that one. But we'll probably end up swapping back and forth. We'll share the chairs.
Should have brought two of the same, and I just wouldn't have had to deal with this.
Is there something you're trying to tell me? Like, why is my chair so far away from you? Go ahead, say it.
Because I know how you like to just relax by yourself when on vacation and just spread out and be calm and not worry about doing things all the time.
He's so full of crap. Supposedly, the water temperature is 71 degrees. We're not gonna get in, like, we didn't bring bathing suits to get in. Figured that's a little too cold for us. But I will let my toes touch. Whoa, my gosh, that's cold.
So, kind of like at restaurants, when you order and then everyone gets on their phone, this is like me at the beach. Empty chair, vlogging, and or in this case, picture taking wife. I'm not necessarily complaining, I'm just kind of observing. What do you suppose she's taking pictures of today? I don't know. Oops. A little closer to the water than you thought you were. Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta realize just how humorous this is. She just came up from taking pictures down in the water and had a wave wash over her feet. She said, you know, I don't want my feet to get all wet and sandy. It's like, dear, we're at the beach.
Hey, I'm now officially collecting shells.
I would like to state for the record that she is now out there with photographic device number 3. We have gone through the official vlogging camera. We went through the Canon camera. I almost said the A1, but I'm a couple decades off on that. And now it is, of course, the snapper face and Insta whatever cell phone. You know, I didn't even bring my phone to the beach, so I am totally electronic device free. No, wait.
Vlogging, check. Shell collection, check. Snapchat, check. Instagram, check. Now I can sit down.
She means she's going to do that thing that I've been doing for the last 20 or 25 minutes. And finally get into the whole beach scene here. I'm perfectly happy enjoying the beach without documenting it. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I'm documenting it. No, I'm not documenting my beach scene. I am just adding color commentary to the vlog for you to enjoy. When the pictures get inserted that she's taking right as I speak here, you might be able to hear the shutter clicking in the background. Please note that she will probably refer to the baby seagull.
Vlogging so bad.
And
we should be vlogging how fast he's walking. He's running.
It's not a seagull. It's a sandpiper. That's what they all do.
It's a sandpiper. But
we can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up, jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
we have just left the beach and have to rinse. Oh, there is our first lizard over there. Rinse our feetsies off. The water doesn't last for very long. Okay, let's admire this walkway. This is awesome to walk through this. And then let me show you the entrance side. It's so pretty. Ooh, hidden Mickey in the railing. And now we turn. And isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, the billboard right there. I'll have to get a picture when Tom moves. Are you enjoying your nap? It's time to go now.
You can't just expect unexpectedly out of nowhere decide you want to go somewhere. Expect me to be ready to just pop out of bed and go. What kind of crap is that?
What's wrong with your eyes?
So, yeah. So she spent all this time, hair looks really nice, it's all parallel and smooth. And little does she know, as soon as we get into the car, I'm opening the sunroof, rolling down all 4 windows, and cranking the Jimmy Buffett channel up to 11, and we're going cruising.
Not that this does me any good here, it just feels that it feels like I should be wearing my magic band. So he is looking for his matching mask that I put out for him to pack. Mine says his says hers. And I put it with his hats to pack.
It's not with my hats.
Are you saying you didn't pack it?
I'm sure I did.
He's off the hook. He just found it. We've stocked the refrigerator. I want to show you something we love. We love how they shaped this because I am a morning juice drinker. Like, I don't drink coffee. I rarely eat breakfast, but I do drink juice in the morning, and this fits in there perfect. And look, Tom brought his key lime curd that we got in Amish country in Pennsylvania. I hope that you have seen those vlogs. I'll try to remember to link at least one of them at the end. And so, like, jellies, jams, jars fit really well there too. We're about to go venture about town. I have my backpack, his mask, long sleeves in case I get chilly because we will be out after dark, and the big camera.
Have you ever had your spouse stop you in the middle of the aisle in the parking deck just to clean the windows?
Time to go exploring. So it's 2:35. We came in from this direction, so we are going to go left. No, we are going to go straight. So actually, this is DVC property also. Well, it is DVC property, but it's also the
Here's the channel.
Yep, the Disney Vero Beach Resort property. That's what I wanted to say. And we will be coming over here to get a better look tomorrow at tennis courts and other things they offer around here. We're getting the feeling that several of the employees actually use this parking lot.
What did you call them?
Oh my gosh, I did. They are cast members. So now we are headed in the opposite direction to see what is over here. More parking. Service building, lakeside pavilion, and deliveries. Ooh, soccer, volleyball. They're cast members only.
So it's all service stuff.
Yep, so turn around, honey bunny. Oh, so cast members can play basketball. Okay, on the side of the cast member building we have hi-ho, and little silhouettes of the 7 dwarfs. It says off to work we go. And then there is friends making memories to treasure forever is on the side of the building. Looks like they are repaving the road here. So soon both sides will be nice and smooth.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change.